Welcome to my YouTube channel. The verbs say and tell are used to indicate the act of passing on information to others by using words. Both the words mean the same, but there is a difference between the two verbs regarding their usage. We use say, says, and said when we give more importance to the information that is passed on. Whereas the verbs tells, tell, and told are used when the indirect object is given more importance than the direct object. The direct object is the information that is passed on. Indirect object is the person to whom the information is passed on. We use say when the direct object is more important than the indirect object. We use say when we give more importance to the information that is passed on than the person to whom the information is given. But the verbs like tell, tells, and told are used when we give more importance to the indirect object or the person to whom the information has been passed on. For example, he says that he is going to Mangalore. He says that he is going to Mangalore. In this sentence, what is important is the information that is passed on. To whom the information has been passed on is not mentioned because that is unimportant. What is important in this sentence is the information that he is going to Mangalore. I say that I do not like it. So what is important here? I do not like it. The piece of information that I am giving. To whom I give the information is unimportant, so that is not mentioned at all. She said that she was not coming to college again. So what is important? She was not coming to college. Whom did she say this to? That is immaterial. That is not given importance at all. We use the verbs say, says, and said when we do not give any importance to the indirect object, that is the person to whom the information has been given. Says is singular. He says that he is going to Mangalore. Say is plural. They say that they are going to Mangalore. Said is past tense. He said that he was going to Mangalore. They said that they were going to Mangalore. So says is singular. Say is plural. Said is past tense. When we use these verbs, what becomes important is the information that is passed on. These verbs can also be used to introduce quotations. For example, Albert Einstein said, time is relative. What is important here? What Einstein said about time. Einstein may not have told someone in particular about this. He made a general statement. That statement was meant for everyone. Shakespeare says, love is blind. Albert Einstein says or said, time is relative. So these verbs, says, say, and said can also be used to introduce quotations. Now let us look at the verbs tell, tells, and told. Tells is singular, tell is plural, told is past tense. When we use the verbs tell, tells, and told, indirect object becomes more important than the direct object. That's why the indirect object should be used immediately after the verbs tell, tells, and told. For example, he tells me that he is angry. There are two things here. He tells me that he is angry. What is the information given? He is angry. Whom does he give this information to? Me. So in this sentence, me becomes more important than the fact that he is angry. He tells me that he is angry. She tells him that she is angry. She tells him. She doesn't tell me. She tells him that she is angry. The indirect object is more important than the actual information that's given. He told me that he was angry. He told me that he was angry. He was angry. That's information. That's a direct object, but that is less important than the person to whom the information was given. He gave this piece of information to me, so me is more important than the actual information. So what do you understand from this? We use the verbs says, say and said when the direct object, that is the actual information, is more important than anything else. So we say he says that he is going to Mangalore. They say that they are going to Mangalore. He said that he was going to Mangalore. But we use the verbs like tell, tells and told when the indirect object, what is the indirect object? The person to whom the information is given is more important than the actual information. He tells me that he is going to Mangalore. They tell them that they are going to Mangalore. They told her that they were going to Mangalore. So in these sentences, the indirect object becomes more important than the actual information that is passed on. There is one more thing to be kept in mind regarding the usage of these verbs. The verbs like say, says and said can be immediately followed by the conjunction that. But when we use the verbs tell, tells and told, we should not make use of that immediately after these, because these verbs tell, tells and told should be followed by the indirect objects. For example, I told that it is grammatically wrong. How do you correct it? I told him that. I told that is wrong. He told that is wrong. How do you correct it? He told me that. He told you that. Fine. He told him that. So told should be followed by the indirect object. Then that can be used. They tell that is wrong should be they tell us that. They tell them that. They tell me that. They tell her that. They tell you that. So what do you understand? The verbs like tell, tells, told should be followed by indirect object or the person to whom the information has been given. They told Ram that. They told Sheila that. He tells me that. He tells his father that. She tells her sister that. She tells her teacher that. So tell should be followed by the indirect object. Then that can be used. Yet another thing that is very important here is that the verb told should not be followed by the preposition to. You cannot say I tell to him. That is wrong. You can't say I told to him. That is wrong. The verb tell does not take the preposition to with that or with that. Don't ever say I told to him or I told with him. Both are ridiculous. Both are wrong. You can't say I tell to him or I tell with him. Just say I tell him. But to can be used along with say when you make it a point to mention the indirect object. For example, you can say I say to him that. Fine. I said to him that. Correct. I say to him that. That's also right. I said that is right. I said to him is also right. But you can't say I told to him. Wrong. I told that. That is also wrong. You should say I tell him that. I told him that. He tells me that. So don't use a preposition to or with after tells, tell and told. Thank you so much for listening to me. I'll come back with another topic.